Good morning guys. Kape po tayo guys. Meron po akong tinapay at saka sir margarine. Ito yung palaman ko guys. Sir margarine na yan guys. Oh. Kinagatan ko na to guys. Kain po tayo. Tinapay. Okay guys, thank you for watching and bye-bye. Sir margarine na guys.